house and repairs.
Here we are, Safeco Field for our second to last game of the year. It's Friday. We're here for Fan Appreciation Day, and there's apparently no Mariners BP. Cages are all set up, but they should be hitting already. Pitchers are out. The Rangers are out there. Hopefully someone will hit. Thanks, Mark. Okay, it's open. Let's go. Man, that one came sailing in there. Ran back out for it. No running. Kellen, your shoes are untied. Let's go catch a home run. Let's get Tim catching one. And you. Oh, they got a lefty up. Catch one, Tim. I got the thing running. I think they have some lefties in this group.
Is that Grim?
Where? That's Festa. That's who you were calling, Grim. That's who you were calling. Justin, Justin. And then you're like, oh, Matt. And then he gave it to you. Here comes a big lefty. Okay, Tim, go catch one. Where are you gonna go? Get that, get that, get that! Yes! Yes! I got that, dude. Dude, I was looking right at you for that. Yeah! All season I've been trying to get Timothy Cook on video catching a home run. I'm pretty sure that I just did it. Yeah, for a while I've been trying it. Pretty sure I just got an epic shot of this dude. Reenact it. Whoa, epic. Nice. Sure. Can't wait to watch it. Dude, that is gonna be so good, man. That's gonna be so good. I'm so psyched. Psyched out of my mind. Are you psyched? Yes. After BP, we'll turn on my wireless thing and we can check it. Four. Catch another one, dude. That was a nice catch too. You came down for it.
Oh, it was that.
Oh, sorry. Tim, 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 Tim. Tim, you gotta watch, dude. That hit you? Did you hear me yelling, Tim, 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 Tim? This guy hit that one. Man, I was yelling. I couldn't see you, but I knew you were right there.
If I picked up my foot, right? I picked up my foot.
Hey, Kellen.
And it came back. And it
Oh,
came back.
Tessa. Hey, Matt.
It hit the step. Came back, hit my heel. My foot wouldn't have been there.
Okay, go catch another home run. Nice. Nice one. Here. Put it up here. Put it right on my foot.
On your foot?
Or on my knee. Switch. I double knotted this one, so it'll be better. Stop, stop.
Thought you were done.
Okay, go right next to Tim, okay? Just hang with Tim. I'll be over there in a minute.
I got a home run.
You did? How'd you get it? It was just hit and you ran and got it?
Yeah.
Nice job. Who hit it?
I don't know. The guy who did it.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Oh. Ooh. Dude, that was an awesome group for Safeco Field, huh? All lefties. All big hitting
all
lefties.
lefties.
One righty?
Yeah, there's one or two righties.
I'm pretty sure that that guy who hit the one you caught was Rugnet Odor. I mean, just his body looked like him.
Yeah.
Is he a lefty? Bartolo Colon just threw us one from right there up to up there. I had turned the GoPro off, so we missed it.
You just realized
It's like this.
smooth.
Whoa, your ball has a lot of movement.
I don't think they're supposed to.
I think that they were broken.
You can.
So it doesn't move. Second to last ice cream of the season. Second to last ice cream of the season. Utility shed. It's a very skinny shed. Come on, Cameron. Let's get us on the board. Right here, right here.
Bases loaded.
Oh, yes! Yeah! Yes! Oh, only one. Bottom of the second. Bases loaded.
So,
Full count. Good
you
Chaniger.
don't have to go back to first, right?
Ah, get out of play, get out of play. Woo! Yay, inept fielding.
Your side.
Ah, who is that?
I've noticed it before, but I've never really thought about it.
Yeah! 4 walks in the inning. Yeah! Woo!
Well, 16 at least.
Wow! Oh, get over him. Get over him. Oh, he dropped it. Yeah, go, go, go. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! That was awesome. Ah, ha, ha! You had a 3-run air. 7-run inning so far. Yes! Woo!
Hey, do a popping dance. Be like, pop, 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 pop.
Lean together.
These are silver peanuts.
They're very sacred.
Yeah.
From the silver peanut world. They're
Now
magic.
they're gonna.
They look like trophy peanuts.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Eat!
It tastes very good. Now just pour it in your mouth. Don't touch it with your hands.
Hey!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
6.
1, 2, 3,
1,
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
Yeah, I think you could do another.
These seats are safe.
I think you could do another because you're. No, maybe not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, what happened? He dropped. Woo!
I got 8.
I'm ready. Oh! Oh, get over him, get over him, get over him. Yeah! Grand roll double! Ties Luke Eric for 41st most all time. Bottom of the 8th inning, Mike Zanino, 2-strike count, already has the golden sombrero. See what he does here.
Daddy, do you mean
No.
Woo!
In Big One Baseball, Kellen has a team called the Mariners, and he has them all named after, the Mariners starting lineup. And he spelled Zanino like Z-A-N-A-N-E-O, I think.
Oh, he didn't do it. Warren, flat on your rabbits. There you go. There you go. Don't let me forget this, Alan. Let's do it! Thank you, fans. You're welcome. Fireworks, fireworks.
Thunder, see the thunder, lightning and the thunder.
Whoa! The moose! The moose! Fireworks! Caution, fireworks tower. Uh-oh, he's gonna...
Good night.
I never wore my sweatshirt tonight. Did you, Kellen? How many tickets did you get? 3?
I gave one to you too.
Yeah, so 4, huh?
Okay, you give 1 to me, 2 to me, and 1 to Grandpa.
Yeah, thank you. Greg, where are you going? Janet, he's going there.
No, I don't know where we're going.
Hey, cowboy!
Did you make it?